Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you create your Yesstyle app or use it. So in firstly, you just click here on your email here to sign up. Just click on it. After that, it's going to show for you your email. You just click on your email. Then you just switch in here to sign up with you like this. And here you get your verification code from your email. You just get your verification code. I'm going to add my verification code here. So when you add your verification code, it's going to show for you like this, and you click here on yes I am, and here it's going to show for you like this in first. Just click on account. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You will find here your profile. Just you will find here your style credit and coupons and yes point, and here you will find your orders. Just click on it. So here you have not placed any orders here. If you have it, it's going to show for you with you. You click here on account. So then you click here on visit yesstyle.com here if you want to get more accounts futures, or here if you want to close your account, just click on it. So then in seconds here can you change your languages here. Here can you add your shipping destination and currency and language here if you want to manage your special offer notifications or not. So and here when you go down here can you send out, you will find here in down all saved lists. If you have any saved list, you will find it here in this list. Here you will find your bag. So can you continue to shop. If you want to add to your bag in here shop, can you find here category of products or items. In home, when just click on home, and here if you want to shop any products here, just click on it like this, and you click on it here. So then you just go down here. So here can you add to bag, when you just click here on add to bag. So I'm going to click to this items here like this. So when you click here on your bag, you will find here items you add to your bag. It's going to show for you like this here. You just go down here and you select here price for express or standard. Can you select it? If you have coupon code, you enter it here. So then you just click here on continue. Just switch in here to show for you like this. You go down, click here on continue. Yes, I checkout. Add here your first name, last name, contact phone number, your email address, and here can you select your country, address continue, city, and here state or province, and your zip code, and you click here on continue here. Then it's going to add with you on your Yesstyle app, or it's going to shop with you here. So then here can you select time, or can you select month for months here. So then here if you want to track your product here, if you want to track your product in here in this list, so here can you, like you see here, can you shop your items. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.